This is River Tech, where we are making a Jungle Book musical. River Tech is a private school located in Post Falls that is competency based. We want to put on this musical to let kids show their musical talent. Dan Hecklin is the principal of River Tech, and he arranged this musical. Let's hear what he has to say.
I've been interested in music my whole life. And I remember as a child participating in various school musicals, and I had so many fond memories from it. So I thought, hey, we want to create those kind of fond memories for our kids here in this school. So every semester, we're planning to produce a musical theater production. The kids are really engaged. We have some phenomenal actors, and yeah, it's going absolutely fantastic.
Hey, Sean Pepperoni!
Shooba-da-bop, shooba-da-bop.
Zabba-dee-ba-doo-ba, zabba-doo-ba-dee-ba.
Ooh, 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 ah.
Get nice, baby. Hoddle-waddle-waddle.
Holla, walla, walla, walla.
Sirma, hoddle-ba.
Shooba-da, holla-la.
Sit, 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 sit.
Round and attack.
Oh, Scooby-Doo, I wanna be like you. Scooby-Doo, I wanna walk like you. Yeah, talk like you. Yeah, you see it's true. And think like me. Can't learn to be like someone like me.
We were thinking we should have some kids who were part of the acting team, some kids who did the face painting, some kids who do the camera side of it. Dan actually came up with the idea of creating a behind the scenes documentary style film, and that's what you're watching right now.
Enough talk. I'm the strongest in the land. I'm the only creature without fear. I, Shere Khan, fear nothing. Oh, because I fear nothing, I must lead. You're a coward. I'm no coward. We shall see.
What have you got there, Mowgli?
What is this? Looks like a kettle from the nearby village. It is, and inside the red flower. Fire! Oh, fire! Take it away! Oh, I'm afraid!
Hooray for Mowgli! Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities are Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life.
What made you want to be a face painter?
I really like art.
Do you like being a face painter?
Yes.
What do you do when you're face painting?
We just face paint people.
Thank you.